In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn the radar minimap here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on. It's super simple to do, so we're going to dive straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. What you're going to want to do is actually open up your settings and go specifically into your interface settings. From here, go ahead and navigate over to this gameplay HUD option up in the very top three and scroll down specifically until you see the option for map and compass. By default, you probably have the mini map rotation and compass turned on. If you don't, simply go ahead, turn them on, and you'll see right above that you're going to have an option for radar. Go ahead and just toggle that on as well. Now, when you go back to your minimap, it's going to look completely different. It's going to be much clearer and way easier to read. And on top of that, you'll be able to see directions more accurately, which is going to help a lot depending on your play style. And a ton of players have been switching this on recently because it does give you better awareness. At the end of the day, it is totally up to you whether you want radar on or off on that default style. But if you did find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.